Today, I'm going to teach you how to create power-ups in Trello. Power-ups are fantastic tools that extend Trello's functionality, allowing you to integrate third-party services or build custom features that enhance your team's workflow and productivity. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating your own power-up. First, you'll need to navigate to the Trello Power-Ups admin page. This is your central hub for managing and creating power-ups within your Trello environment. You can access this by going directly to the Power-Ups section in your Trello settings or by searching for Trello Power-Ups admin in your browser. This page serves as the command center where all Power-Up development begins. Once you're on the admin page, locate and click the Create a Power-Up button. This button is typically prominently displayed and serves as your gateway to building custom integrations. Clicking it will initiate the power-up creation process and take you to the configuration screen where you'll define your power-up specifications. Next, you'll be presented with options to choose between creating a new power-up or an integration. This decision depends on your specific needs. A new power-up gives you complete control over functionality, while an integration connects existing services to Trello. Consider your project goals carefully, as this choice will influence the development path and available features. Now you'll need to specify the workspace where the power-up will function. This step is crucial because it determines which boards and team members will have access to your power-up. Select the appropriate workspace from the drop-down menu, ensuring it aligns with your intended user base and project scope. The next step involves entering the iframe connector URL. This URL is essential as it tells Trello where to find your power-ups interface and functionality. Make sure this URL is accurate and points to a properly configured endpoint, as any errors here will prevent your power-up from working correctly. You'll then need to provide an email and a support contact. These details are important for user communication and troubleshooting purposes. Trello uses this information to help users get assistance with your power-up, so ensure these contacts are monitored and responsive. Following that, input the author's information. This includes details about who created the power-up, which helps with credibility and provides users with context about the power-up's origin. Complete this section thoroughly as it represents your professional identity within the Trello ecosystem. Finally, click Create to deploy your power-up to the selected workspace. This action finalizes the setup process and makes your power-up available to users within the specified workspace. Once created, you can test its functionality and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom power-up in Trello. This powerful feature opens up endless possibilities for customizing your workflow and integrating the tools your team relies on. Thanks for watching.